Good morning, student. Today we will do the exercise of chapter 1, the leaf. You all have to open page number 18. Check point. First, fill in the blanks. Petiole is the part of leaf by which it is attached to the node of stem. Petiole, petiole. Dash leaf has a single blade without any incisor or cut. Simple leaf has a single blade without any incisor or cut. Wild pea and glory lily are example of leaf tendrils. Leaf, leaf, tendrils, tendrils. Bladderwort is seen in aquatic plant such as Utricularia. Bladder, bladder, worts, words, bladderwort. Question number 2. Give an example for leaf modified into. First, spines, cactus. Second, pitcher, pitcher plant. Third, tendrils, wild pea and glory lily. Glory, glory, lily, lily. Now dear children, you have to open page number 21. A. Multiple choice questions. First, which of the following part of the plant is also known as the food factory of the plant? Answer is leaf. Second, the tip of the lamina is known as apex. Third, paler venation is seen in all, maize, rice and lily. In all, you have to tick mark. 4. Which of the following leaf is modified into spines? Prickly poppy, its leaf is modified into spines. 5th, which of the following plant produced by the method of vegetative propagation? Bryophyllum is a plant reproduced by the method of vegetative propagation. So, in the sequence your answers are first leaf, second apex, third all, fourth prickly poppy and fifth bryophyllum. B. Fill in the blanks. Radicle, radicle. Radicle is the embryonic root contained in the seed of the plant. Second, the petiole enters into the lamina forming the midrib. 3. An axillary bud, axillary, axillary bud bud is always present at the base of the leaf petiole. 4th, leaf tendrils, leaf, leaf, tendril, tendril help in climbing. 5th, pitcher plant and bladderwort are insectivorous plant, insectivorous, insectivorous. Question number C. Write true or false for the following sentence. First, veins provide supportive framework to the leaf. True. Second, leaves get modified into spines in desert plant. True. Third, mustard and sunflower have opposite arrangement of leaves. False. You have to cut opposite and write alternate. 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 Fourth, scales leaves help to protect the bud. True. Fifth, bryophyllums can reproduce vegetatively by roots. False. You have to cut roots and write down leaves. leaves. Bryophyllums can reproduce vegetatively by leaves. This statement is false. Question number D. Look at the diagram given below and name the labeled part. Dear children, this you have to do it by your own self. This is your homework. You can find out the answer from page number 14. Question number E. Very short answer type question. First, give an example of simple leaf. Answer: mango. Second, give an example of leaf showing reticulate venation. Mustard. Tallow venation. Maize. Question number 3. Give one word for the following. Leaves modified into thread-like coiled strand. Leaf tendrils. Second, in this plant, leaves are highly segmented and modified into sac called bladder. Answer is bladder wort. B-L-A-D-D-E-R, bladder, W-O-R-T, wort. Question number 3. Other name of insectivorous plant. Other name of insectivorous plant is carnivorous plant. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-O-U-S. Carnivorous plants, because insectivorous plants eat insects. That is why it is also known as carnivorous plant. Question number 4. Given below are the characteristics of insectivorous plants. Identify the plants. A. The leaf blade is divided into two parts and the midrib acts as a hinge of the dough. When any insect touches the leaf, the edges of the leaf suddenly interlock and prevent the escape of insects. Your answer is Venus flytrap. V-E-N-U-S, Venus, F-L-Y, fly, T-R-A-P, trap, Venus flytrap. B. The front part of the petiole is coiled like a tendrils that hold the pitcher in erect position. The leaf tips forms the lid. The pitcher-shaped leaf is filled with a liquid to passively collect the insects and digest it. Pitcher plant. C. The bladder sucks the small organisms through partial vacuum. So, through a trap door, these organisms can go in but cannot come out. Bladder wort. Thank you, students.